Hi, John. So today for math, we worked in our Unit 2 student note workbook, and we specifically worked on pages 75 to 79, the section B, practice problems. Okay. We did the pages, we didn't do page 80 and 81 because those were two pages that I thought were too hard for us to try and do in small groups. We did these as a quick sort of check to see where folks are at. So this is what I would want you to be working on this afternoon. So I can go over each of the problems, and then if you have any questions, you can email me. Okay? So here we go. For problem 1, it asks you to count the dots and then write the number next to it. So you're going to count this set of dots here, and then you're going to write the number here. And again, same thing with B, count and write. And then number 2, you have to circle the group that there's more of. So if you think there are more apples, you would circle the apples. If you think there are more plates, you would circle the plates. The next one, wrong side. Number 3 says circle the 10 frame that has, or the 5 frame that has more dots. So you're going to circle A or B. Which one has more dots? And then with letter number 4, it actually asks you to show the group that shows fewer things. So which one is smaller? Okay. Number 5, you look at the box here, and you have to find 3 pictures down here that have more things in them than what's in this 5 frame. Okay. And then this page here, you have to find 3 pictures that are less than what's in this 5 frame. So 3 pictures down there that have less things than what's here. And then for this last problem, what you have to do is you have to draw a picture here of something with more things. So you need to count these things here, figure out how many they are, and then draw something that's more than this, and then also something that's less than this. Okay? And then that's it pretty much for this activity. If you have any questions or aren't sure what you're doing, just give me a holler. We're going to be working on these practice problems this week because we pretty much wrapped up this unit, and I don't really want to start a new unit with just a few short days before we go on vacation. So we're going to work a little bit in our workbooks this week. Okay? Thanks so much. Bye-bye.